a wonderful city, Ganga Yamuna Saraswati Sangam. So,
Sangam.
Yeah, Sangam. Huh.
Government officer. Okay.
Wow, that's great.
Exercise. Can you put these words in the correct order to form a greeting? Morning, good. You, how are?
Good morning. How are you, dear?
That's so great. I'm curious, what are your current fitness goals? Are you looking to build muscle, lose weight, or just improve your overall health? I'm ready to give you some expert advice once I know what you're interested in. Let's get going.
Okay. Actually, I just want to lose some weight because... Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing, guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, when I was learning English speaking skill, so I was thinking one point every time, and the point is that how nice would it be if someone talked to me in English, if someone helped me in practice English speaking skill. But I had no one. There was no one who helped me. So what I did, I started to search different kind of apps. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 apps because I found 5 apps very wonderful. These apps are extremely wonderful, amazing. Okay, and these apps helped me a lot. And if it helped me, then this will also help you, believe me. So, without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then. Don't skip the video. Okay, friends. So let's get into the topic. So friends, this video is going to very helpful for you, for all the beginners who wants to enhance their English speaking skill, but they have a problem like they have no one with whom they can practice in English. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 wonderful apps. So stay tuned, watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay, so first app which I'm going to share with you in this video name is English Conversation Practice. English Conversation Practice, this is a wonderful application, believe me. And for this application, you don't need to give money for purchasing any type of course. You don't need to go anywhere. You can use this app according to your timetable, according to your situation. Okay, and this app will help you to enhance your vocabulary. It will help you to create some sentences in a different situation, in a different scenario. So how to use this application, and so first I'm going to show you how to use this application. So this application name is English Conversation Practice. Okay, so for this you need to just go to the Play Store and write English Conversation Practice. Okay, I have already downloaded this application on my Android phone, so I'm going to just open this application. Okay, so English Conversation Practice, this is a wonderful application, believe me. And this application will help you to enhance your English vocabulary, to do some little conversation with your friends, with your family in a school time. Okay, so you can see the logo. This is the logo. Now I'm going to open this application. Okay, English Conversation Practice. Now after opening, you will find there are so many categories. You can see there are so many categories, and to touch family and friend. Okay, family and friends. So yes, I'm going to touch, and when I touch family and friend category, so you can see there are some subcategory in family and friends. Okay, now I'm going to touch new friend at school. Okay, so yes, I'm going to touch new friend at school. When I touch new friend and school, you can see the conversation. There is a conversation between mom and Jen. Okay, so for this, what you need to do, you need to just, you can see the here 3 points: listen, quiz, and practice. Okay, so first what you need to do, you need to just listen this whole conversation very carefully, very carefully. Okay, so now I'm going to touch this thing, I mean to say listen. Okay, so for this I'm going to touch this listen. Okay, listen here.
Jane, how was school today?
Mom, it was fun. I made a new friend.
That's nice. What's her name?
Her name is Cindy.
Is she new to your school?
Yeah, she's a new student.
Now I'm going to
She moved here
press. Okay. So first you need to listen whole conversation very carefully. Okay, when you are listening, so there are your listening power and catching power. Your mind will started to catch all the vocabulary, how to construct a sentence, all the things. Okay, so first you need to listen very carefully. Now you should go to the practice section. Now I'm going to touch this practice section. Okay, practice. Now when I touch practice, so you can see choose practice partner. So there is mom and there is Jane. So now I'm going to touch mom. Okay, now I'm going to touch mom. So yes, now I'm going to start.
Jane, how was school today?
Mom, it was fun. I made a new friend.
That's nice. What's her name?
Her name is Cindy.
Is she new to your school?
Yeah, she's new student.
You have an aunt who lives in Seattle.
I know, I like Seattle. It's beautiful there, but it rents very
that's why we're
much.
staying in sunny California.
Cindy and I have a lot of common. We both like drawing, playing, and with dogs and eating pizza.
You should invite her over for dinner one night.
Can be, Mom?
Sure, we can order pizza.
Maybe I will ask her if she can come over on Friday.
Okay, let's invite her parents too. We can get to know them.
That's a good idea. They don't have any friend here yet. Thank you, Mom. No. Okay. So in this way you can practice. Now I'm going to touch another character. This. Okay. And start practice. Start here. Start practice. Jane, how was school
It was
today?
fun. I made a new friend.
That's nice. What's her name?
Her name is Cindy.
Is she new to your school?
Yeah, she's a new student. She moved here from Seattle, Washington.
You have an aunt who lives in Seattle.
I know. I like Seattle. It's beautiful there, but it rains too much.
That's why we are staying in sunny California.
Cindy and I have a lot in common. We both like drawing, playing with dogs, and eating pizza.
You should invite her over her dinner one night.
Can we, Mom?
Sure, we can order pizza.
Maybe I'll ask her if she can come over on Friday.
Okay, let's invite her parents too. We can get to know them.
That's a good idea. They don't have any friends here yet.
Okay, now this whole conversation is finished, and there is also an option of record. When you are doing conversation, you can record your voice so that you can easily find your mistakes, your pronunciation, how was your pronunciation. Okay, so yes, in this way you can easily do conversation with someone. You can practice in how to do conversation in a different scenario. Okay, now I'm going to show you another application, and the another application name is, that is very important. So another application name is PeerUp. I used this application a lot. Believe me, this is a wonderful application. And for this application, what you need to do, you need to just go to the Play Store and write PeerUp, P-E-E-R, okay, and PeerUp. Now I'm going to write this application. Actually, I have already downloaded this application on my Android phone. So now I'm going to just open this application. Okay, you can see the logo. This is the logo of PeerUp. Okay, and after opening you will find this thing. Okay, there is two options: practice with partner and practice role play. So first I'm going to touch practice with partner. Okay, so it will ask you some inquiry, I mean to say which type of partner, human or AI, gender. So I'm going to touch okay, anyone chalega kuch bhi. So start searching. So it is going to search. You can see it is going to search, and after some times it will find your partner, and it takes some time in a searching period. So don't worry if it is taking some time. Don't worry about it. Okay, so yes, this is a wonderful application, PeerUp. It's a best application. I used this application a lot. Believe me, no one who is going to judge you. There is only you. There is only you. You can judge your thing. Okay, so don't worry about it. And it takes some time. Oh, don't worry. Okay, sometimes it quickly connect with co-learners, and sometimes it takes some time. Okay, so okay, there is also here I'm just want to suggest you one thing. This is a app, so you don't need to give your full information. Okay, because you are practicing in English, so you can give your some fake information, not real. Okay, because there is some. Hello, Aman. First of all, Aman, good evening.
Good evening.
So, Aman, are
We
you?
met together?
Yeah.
I think we met together.
I don't understand. I don't know.
Are you teacher?
Yeah, I am a teacher.
Okay.
So, Aman, are
we
you a
met
student?
together.
Okay, are you a student?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so I think you are from Bihar,
No, Bihar, no. Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh. So, where?
Uttar Pradesh? In Uttar Pradesh?
Yeah.
Rajiv Bihar Khoda Colony?
No, I don't. I just want to ask you, in which, in Uttar Pradesh, in which district do you
Oh,
belong?
district, yes.
Okay.
Ghaziabad.
Okay, Ghaziabad. I remember. Okay. This is our second meeting, I think.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
This is second meeting.
So actually I forget something, so that's why I just connect randomly. It's a randomly connection. Okay. So I just want to ask you some question.
Yeah, of course.
So Aman, what are you doing for learning? For what do you want to become in your future?
I said you before, I didn't think about that, sorry. And my goal is learning English in present.
Okay.
Speaking fluently.
Okay. So good. So after learning English, what do you want to do?
I wanted to watch English movies, by which I can understand the subtitles and the language. And whenever my English is too good, then I learn computer, and by computer and English, I can get a good job.
Okay, so your final goal is to get a job. For this, you are learning this language, yes or not?
Yeah.
So this is your goal, to get a good job. To get a good job, for which you are learning this language.
No, I learning this language for a fun.
For a fun,
Not
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you want to go abroad?
Abroad?
Yeah. Do you want to go foreign country?
Yeah, of course.
In
I
which?
wanna go to Japan.
Why Japan? Why?
Because I watch anime, and many animes comes from Japan, and Japan is a beautiful country.
Okay, Japan is a beautiful country. So, what is your thinking about the China?
Gene,
Yeah.
I didn't like that because it's like a monster.
Okay. So yeah.
See, he can eat anything like that, and crab, tortoise, and anything like that. Yeah.
So, thank you, Aman. And now I'm going to leave this conversation. Thank you again.
Okay.
Goodbye.
So tell me, whenever we talk to band, then what would you do after cutting this call?
I generally do. I make tea because it's my
Oh, tea.
evening time. So actually, no, I'm not always free. Whenever I get time, so I just use this application only 5 or 10 minutes for improving my only 5 or 10 minutes for improving my English.
So tell me, what's your goal to improve your English?
I said you earlier that I am a teacher, and whenever I get few time because I have a hectic schedule, so I don't get a lot of time. So whenever I get time, so I just use this application to talk to someone and to enhance my English fluency.
Okay.
So thank you so much for this conversation, Aman.
Oh, me too.
It was a great conversation. Bye.
Bye. Have a good day.
Have a good day too. After complete your conversation, you can find your feedback like this. So now I'm going to talk to you an application. So another application name is name is CB, SIVICB. Okay, so for this application, what you need to do, you need to just go to the Play Store and write there CB. Okay, and yes, I have already downloaded this application on my Android phone, so I'm going to just open this application. Yes, this is also a wonderful application, and I used this application a lot, believe me. There is also an option of AI, and you can use this AI application and yes, talk to real person just like you, just like me. So yes, there is no hesitation. You can see the connection. So there is connection like practice your code learners and practice AI. So first I'm going to touch practice co-learner. Okay, now practice now. So I'm going to touch practice now. So yes, it is going to connect. Hello. What's your name?
My name is Jay Prakash and what?
Okay.
And what your name may be Rita.
Yes, my name is Rita. So Jay Prakash. Okay. So Jay Prakash, where are you talking from me?
I'm from Mumbai, and you?
I'm from Uttar Pradesh and Jhansi district. So,
Yes, okay.
okay, so
Jhansi Ki Rani.
yeah, Jhansi ki Rani. So do you know about Rani Lakshmibai, Queen of Rani Lakshmi? Yeah, Queen of Jhansi. Actually, she was the queen of Jhansi, but she was daughter of Maharashtra. So there is a connection, there is a connection.
Yeah.
So,
Yes, of course.
so Jay, are you I mean to say a student or working profession? What are you doing actually? I just want to ask you a question. What are you doing for your living?
I'm working in Mumbai airport.
Okay, so you are working in Mumbai airport.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. So wow, it's a great job.
That's great job.
Yeah. So
What about you?
and actually I am a teacher in a basic school. I am a government teacher. So this is my thing, and this is actually my job. But actually I want to enhance my English fluency, so that's why I downloaded this application for enhance my English fluency. And you are doing in job in airports, so yes, it's very important to know about this language because you are meeting different person every day.
I'm interacting.
Interacting.
One the one people.
Yeah, one by one. Actually, I'm not interacted, but because of the desire, I'm just learning this language. I'm doing the work in the school where all the students and parents come in a rural family, and they don't know about English. Actually, they don't completely read in English and understand in English. So yes, it's very difficult for me. But because of desiredness, so that's why I'm using and using different kind of apps for enhance my English fluency. And in this way I can easily connect just like you person, and I know different person, their heritage, their culture. So I just want to ask you, you are totally belongs from Maharashtra, or you are doing only work there?
Your home place. I'm from your home place.
Okay, so Maharashtra, Mumbai, your home place. Okay, so
No. I'm telling your home place. I'm from UP, Prayagraj.
Okay. My home place. Okay, I can't understand. Okay, so you are
I'm
from
from Prayagraj.
yeah, Prayagraj.
Prayagraj.
Yeah, I know Prayagraj, and then this is a wonderful city, Ganga Yamuna Saraswati Sangam.
Yeah,
So
Sangam.
yeah, Sangam. Huh. So Jay, tell me something about yourself and about your job, because you are interested.
I'm also a government officer. Okay.
Wow, that's great.
I'm in immigration department.
Yeah. Sorry for which department?
Immigration department.
Immigration means Prabasi. Okay.
Yeah.
Prabasi. Yeah, immigration department. Yeah.
We give clearance to passengers to go travel abroad or foreigner people coming from abroad in India.
Yeah.
Means we look, we see the passport and visa.
Passport and visa. That's
And
great.
police clearance.
Okay. I recently I issue my passport, but I'm not using. But I think in future it may be benefit for me. So that's why I'm using. So okay, Anjay, it's time to leave this conversation because I have some work, and it was a great conversation, actually, great conversation. So thank you so much for this conversation, and nice to meet you, and I hope we will meet again.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye bye. So after doing conversation, you can connect with again, you continue connect. Okay, so now I'm going to share with you another application name. So another application name is, Learna. This is the best application. All the applications which I'm going to share with you in this video, all are great, but for this you need to just work on it. You need to just use all the application. Okay, now I'm going to use Learna. This is a great application. Okay, and now I'm going to write Learna AI application, and you can see the logo. This is the logo of Learna application. Okay, it will ask you some question like this, and start a free trial. I'm going to start free trial. Okay, it is also a paid, but you can use this application on a free trial. So I'm going to use greeting. Ready to pick up where you left off. Start from the beginnings. Okay.
Hi,
Hadita, how are you doing today? I'm fine. And what about you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Are you ready to start our session on greetings?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm ready. And I want to do some fun for conversation.
Great. Let's start with some basic greetings. When you meet someone, you can say hello or hi. These are simple and friendly ways to start a conversation. Now, let's practice. How would you greet someone you meet for the first time?
Hello, how are you? Are you good or not?
That's a good start. You can say, hello, how are you? Let's try another one. How would you greet a friend you see every day?
Hi, Seema. How are you? What's going on? What are you doing today?
Perfect. That's a friendly and engaging way to greet a friend. You asked about their well-being and what they're up to, which is great for keeping the conversation going. Let's try a different exercise. Can you put these words in the correct order to form a greeting? Morning, good, you, how are?
Good morning. How are you, dear?
Well done. Good morning, how are you? Is a polite and warm greeting. Now, let's do a fill-in-the-blank exercise. Complete the sentence. Afternoon, it's nice to see you.
Good afternoon. It's nice to see you.
It's nice to see you is a perfect way to greet someone in the afternoon. Let's try making your own sentence. How would you greet someone in the evening?
Good evening, dear. How about you? What are you doing? What was your day?
That's a lovely evening greeting. You asked about their well-being and their day, which is a great way to show interest. Let's do a quick test. Which of these is not a greeting? Hello, goodbye, or hi?
Goodbye.
That's right. Goodbye is used when you're leaving, not when you're greeting someone. You've done a great job with greetings today. Let's move on to the speaking practice in the next session. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Okay, so yes, this is the conversation. You can use this application according to your timetable, and this is a great name is, Pi. This is the best application. Okay, and with the help of this application, you can easily improve your English, and all the applications are going to help you. Believe me, all the applications are going to help you. So for this application, what you need to do, you need to just download this application in your Android phone, or just start speaking in English from the day first. Why are you waiting for someone will come, then you will start speaking English? Okay, you can use these different application and improve your English. So the another application name is Pi, Pi. Now I'm going to open this application, and yes, I have downloaded this application on my Android phone. So you have to just download this application on your Android phone. Now I'm going to open this application. Okay, and yes, this is the best application, believe me, this is the best application. And I have not seen these types of application in my life, and this application Pi. Now I'm going to open this application, how to use this application. Okay, and open this application. Okay, here, hello, I'm Pine, what's your name? So my name is Rita. Yes. Great meeting, Rita. First thing, choose how to suit your sound. Okay, first.
Hi, it's lovely to meet you. My name is Pi, and I'm your personal AI. How does this voice sound?
Okay, choose voice.
Nice choice. Now you can hear me.
Yeah.
What should we talk about first, Rita?
We talk about how to get fit.
That's so great. I'm curious, what are your current fitness goals? Are you looking to build muscle, lose weight, or just improve your overall health? I'm ready to give you some expert advice once I know what you're interested in. Let's get going.
Okay, actually I just want to lose some weight, because I have a heavy weight, so I want to lose my weight. Can I do?
You can. Losing weight is all about creating a calorie deficit, which means you're burning more calories than you're taking in through food and drink. There are a few different ways to achieve this. The most common methods are eating a healthy, balanced diet and getting regular exercise, but it can also be helpful to track your food intake and make small lifestyle changes that add up over time. Do you want some specific tips for creating a calorie deficit and losing weight?
Yes, I want to know some diet plan. I want to know some rules, and also I want to know different kind of exercise, and with the help of some suggestion or exercise, I can easily lose my weight. So please suggest me some rules.
Here are some tips for diet and exercise that can help you lose weight. Eat a balanced diet. Aim to include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your meals. Try to limit your intake of processed foods, added sugars, and unhealthy fats. Aim to get at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity per week. Strength training can also be helpful for weight loss. Try to do strength training exercises that work all of the major muscle groups at least 2 days per week.
Thank you so much for your suggestion, and I will start my whole journey. I mean to say, I'm going to eat some healthy food. I'm going to do exercise and from the tomorrow, and thank you for your suggestion.
You're so welcome, Rita. I'm glad you're ready to start your journey. Remember to take things one step at a time and be kind to yourself as you make changes to your lifestyle. And remember, you've got me here to help you every step of the way. If you ever have any questions about healthy eating or exercise, don't hesitate to reach out.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you so much for your suggestion. Thank you again. Now I'm going to lead this conversation, okay? So yes, in this way you can easily improve your English. There are different kind of sources. Now you just need to work on it. There are so many methods, there are so many applications, but at the end you are the one who is going to work on it. So what is the main point? The main point is you, okay? You have to get some motivation. I know there are different kind of resources, but until you work on it, you can't achieve your goal. Okay, so let's practice in English each and every day by using different kind of apps, by using different kind of methods that I have shared with you in my previous video. Okay, so I hope you found this video very helpful, and if you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.